easily access darknet using your Windows computer. So first things first, you will have to open up your Microsoft Edge or whatever browser that you might be using. In my case, I'm using Microsoft Edge. Then type in TOR project. And you want to give a click on this link which says www.torproject.org. Give a click on this link. So this is the website that you want to be on, and after that give a click on download Tor browser. So as I'm a Windows user, I'm going to select Windows. Alright, you can see the Tor browser is getting downloaded on my computer. The download has been successfully completed, so I'm going to open this file. Alright, there you can see, select your language, your installation path. In my case, I have already got one out there, so I'm going to replace that. Give a click on finish. So this is the Tor browser interface that we are on. Before we continue, you will have to make sure that you have a good VPN connection. So in my case, I'm using this particular VPN. I will drop the link of this VPN in the description so that you guys can check that out. This is a very lightweight and effective VPN to use. So I've got the VPN connected. So I'm going to open up the Tor. I'm going to type in hidden wiki. You can see over here the first link. I'm going to click on this. So there you have it. You guys are going to get tons of links on this page. You can easily click on these links and explore the dark web. And please make sure you keep yourself safe and don't get yourself in trouble. Thank you. That's it for today. See you guys in the next one.